In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Microsoft Outlook, whether you're managing emails or staying on top of your calendar events. Outlook offers a versatile reminder system that can help you stay organized and on schedule. Let's get started. First, let's focus on setting a reminder for an email. Begin by logging in to your Outlook account. Once you've successfully signed in, navigate straight to your inbox. Here, you'll see a list of all your emails. Right-click on the email for which you want to set a reminder. From the context menu that appears, choose Advanced Actions, and then select Create Task. Doing this will place the email into your dedicated tasks or to-do list, both in Outlook and Microsoft To Do. Now you'll want to select To Do from the left panel. This section houses all your tasks and reminders associated with your emails. Find your selected email and click on it. This will open a detailed view of the email on the right side of your screen. Here, look for the option Remind Me and click on it. You will then be presented with several options to choose a reminder date. Options like today, tomorrow, next week, or if you prefer, pick a date, allow you to customize your reminder to suit your schedule best. Now, let's shift gears a little and talk about setting a reminder for a calendar event, another handy feature Outlook offers. To start off, switch to the calendar view in Outlook. You can do this by looking for and clicking on the calendar icon, usually found in the bottom left corner of the Outlook window. Within the calendar view, locate and double-click the meeting or appointment you want to add a reminder to. This will open up the event details. As you examine the ribbon near the top of this section, you'll see a clock icon. Click on this clock icon to set your event reminder. A menu will drop down showing various time options. This is where you decide how far in advance you'd like to be reminded of your appointment. Options can range from minutes, hours, or even several days before the event. Choose the timing that best fits how you plan and manage your day. And that's it. With these straightforward and simple instructions, you can stay on top of your busy schedule by creating timely reminders for both emails and calendar events in Microsoft Outlook. Being consistent with setting reminders can drastically improve your productivity and ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out other videos for more tips on using Microsoft Outlook effectively.